In the last video, I showed how to tie this 5-part, 8-bight, 1-pass regular nested knot, which is Ashley's Book of Knots, number 2216. And we did it by crossing the bights. But what I want to show in this video is this is the same knot. It's a same 5-part, 8-bight, 1-pass regular nested knot. But it is backwards from this knot. And what brought me to wanting to show this is a year ago, a friend of mine sent me a book on tying globe knots. And in it, there's a grid diagram at the top of the page. And then at the bottom of the page, there's a run list showing you how to tie from pin to pin the overs and unders to tie the knot. Well, I tied the knot, and I thought, well, this isn't the same knot they're showing at the top of the page. And it made me realize that the grid diagram is showing it one way, and when you tie it, the knot is inside out from the grid diagram. So this knot is inside out and tied backwards from the knot we showed in the last video. If you will notice, here's our standing end. It comes into the knot, making an under, over, under, and then it makes an inside bite. Then it goes over, under, makes an inside bite, goes over, under, over, and this is the first outside bite on this string run. Well, on this string run, well, and look on this side. When you go from an outside bite, you go straight through the knot, under, over, and make an outside bite. This knot is tied inside out and backwards from this knot. So that here's our standing end, we go straight through our knot, under, over, and make an outside bite. So this is going from outside bite to outside bite. This is going from the outside bite to an inside bite. So I've always thought if you really want to know how to do something, you need to look at it from inside out and right side to back side. So we're going to tie this knot using the crossing of the bights method as before, but we're going to tie the knot inside out and backwards. So we go around the mandrel, we make an over, then we come over, and now we go around the mandrel and back over ourselves. So we just make a little figure 8 right there. Now, get the twist out of my string. I'm going to take our working end and do an under. So I'm just going to take this and cross the bight. This is our working end. So it just went under, and we're out over the knot. Now I'm going to take this outside bite, because see how that's got us a over, and this is an under. I'm going to just take this and cross these two bites, giving us an over one, under one pattern through the knot. And to lock that in, I'm just going to go under this outside bite. Now I'm going to take this outside bite on the left hand side, and I'm going to go under and over this one. So under, slide that over, take this and go under this one, making my under, over. Now I'm going to take this outside bite and I'm going to bring it over these two. over 2. That created a set of tracks for us. Now I'm going to bring this outside bight, and I'm going to bring it over 2, right here, these two. Okay, over 2, and it created an inside bight right here. See where it's out here? And it just goes over 2, creates an inside bight and a short set of tracks. So now I need to lock that in, over, under, and make an inside bight. Now when I just did that, this crossed. I was being a little aggressive. Okay, I went over, under, made an inside bight. I go over, under, locking that in, make an inside bight, and then see these tracks that I made back here? See how that's an under, under, and this is over, over? I go over, under, and out of the knot with an over. Now here's our standing end. To get back to our standing end, we skip this outside bight and go in under 1. That tied our 5-part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 bight, 1 pass, regular nested knot, which is inside out and backwards from the way we tied it in the previous video, so that our standing part goes from outside bight boundary to outside bight boundary straight through the knot. I hope you will try tying this knot, and thank you for watching.